Come on, baby. Come on, sweetheart.
Come on, just push.
She might not be able to walk off that grate she's on.
Here, come here. Over here. Right here.
Good girl, push the baby.
Come on.
Good girl.
Come on.
Elena, get out of the way. Oh my God. You're supposed to push her.
Here, come here.
Elena, let her just do it. That's what makes it funny. Just let her do what she wants to do. Oh my God.
Go on, push it.
Push the baby. She's like, I don't know, but I just want my child. Look at her just standing. She got the baby. Oh God, she's beating it. She's beating it. She's like, bad. All right, put it back in and see if she'll do it.
Come on. You can't have the baby unless you push it over.
Push the baby.
Come on.
Push the baby, Stella. Push the baby.
Push the girl. Here, you know what? Get back. Here.
Not on the grate, honey. She had a hard time with her feet on that.
No. Hard time trying to get her.
She wants to go in it. She don't fit. We tried.
Come on.
To go. Push the baby. Good girl. Careful, careful. The chair's right there.
Good girl.
Elena, get out of the way. Get out of the way. Good girl. Push the baby. Push the baby.
Mom, you gotta send that to Lynn.
I will. Push the baby.